Hey, I'm Naomi. I'm finally gonna get cut by Theo again. Very excited. I dyed a bit myself, but it doesn't really work out. And my hair is dying, so I really need to see him. What I want today is a very short fringe. I want all of my dead hair gone, so I think about a length of maybe this.
Yeah, so on.
Yeah, and a darker color, like a black gray. And I'm gonna leave it up to Theo how he's gonna do it.
Okay, thank you very much. For your turn for you and the rest of the world to
Yes.
show your hair. Second time modeling for me?
Second?
Yeah.
No.
It's the third time.
Fourth.
Fourth already?
Yes. First it was Chelsea with...
Oh yeah, but
and then it was a short Chelsea, then it was red, and now it's...
then they have to find you on YouTube on your
Yes.
name. Then we'll see all your videos. I make so many videos, so lost counting. Thank you very much. Hello friends on YouTube, gonna do Naomi's hair again. Now I found her a cape, she wants to be zebra. So start with protecting her clothes, of course, pinning up her hairs. And she has wonderful hair to do a haircut with a clipper. So that's what I'm going to make her a clipper hairstyle. Now here's what she wants. She wants a dark color, a grayish black. So that I'm also going to make, and I tell you how I did that and how I came to that color. Now she has wonderful straight hair, so that's the most wonderful thing she has. And I love it a lot, so I will take off all the dry ends by taking it in a line with the clipper. So start with that.
Excited.
Yeah. Part hair over the center on the skull bone and clip it away. I need dry hair because otherwise I can't cut it with the clipper. On this line I'm going to create the first line. Take a large flat comb, get into the line where I want to cut it, go in with my clipper and gently go to the other side. Go straight down, holding my comb on the same position. Then I go in and correct the lines on the fold. Go to the sides, go to the same position again, go to the other lines. Same I do on the other side. This is my first baseline. So I can create a little bit more movement in it by just go in and give it some depth. So I just go slowly a bit down, so it's not a total straight line anymore. And afterwards, when I dried it and colored it, I can always correct the line. Take one clip out. Pin there, so. Go to the same baseline, go in with my flat comb, go to the baseline, so that's my baseline. You can see this, all are the dry ends of her hair. And she has very funny hair. It's nice jumping.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. It's not totally straight. It looks straight, but it isn't.
Oh. That's why it's annoying.
Yeah. For you it is. For me it's not. I love it.
I'm glad you do.
Yeah. I think it's the most wonderful profession there is in the world. To be a hairdresser. The nice thing is that you meet a lot of people.
Yes.
Old, young, beautiful, ugly, nasty.
Yeah.
This is my first baseline. The front. I take to the front, so I turn a bit. Have to take care of the earrings. And just take away the hairs that's sticking out. Afterward, when the hair is wet, I can always cut the underline a little bit with a scissor. But first I make the baseline like this because I like this baseline. Go to the other side. Open the clip again. Lay some new hair on it. You can see a lot of dry hair is off. Go in again. Work on the same line. Go to the front. Take the last hairs with it. Lay some new hair on it. Lay it in the right position. You can hear the hair is hard because it's rolling between my blades of the clipper. Also this side I have to take care of the earrings. She lost them.
I do.
So now I've created myself a nice baseline to work on. This I first gonna color, and then afterwards, when it's dry, I correct the line with the color. So now we come to the nice jumpy fringe.
I want it as short as possible.
Like me?
Maybe in the summer I want to go
Oh,
all
go
the way.
bald all the way.
Yes.
It's always nice.
Well, I've never had it. So.
Okay, coming to the short fringe. She wanted as short as possible, so take away the hairs and pin them to the sides, so all the hairs off the fringe. Lay free to work with. Now I know, because she told me she has a jumpy fringe, so the underline of this fringe has a little bit of crown effect in it. So I have to take care of that, so I take the last part of her fringe aside, twist it a bit, pin it away. And also her fringe I will cut with a clipper. So now I have the fringe in the line she wants it. So I look what the shortest fringe is, and I think it's around here. Take care that take only the hairs and not the sides with it. This is the smallest clipper of Kiona. You can see it's ultra sharp. This side is also a bit jumpy, so you see that jumps up. But therefore we also have products to lay it down again. And this is jolly fringe. Lay the longer hair over it. Again, in natural form. And now I worked about 2 till 3 millimeters longer than her fringe, so I get a soft focus on it, and a line that's hanging over, so it also bends the hair a bit to the inside. And also this line I can always correct after I did coloring. And the course of jumping up like this in this side is that this part is a bit thicker than the rest is. So I thin this out a bit on the roots of the hairs near to the skin.
Great.
That's the only problem with that short fringe.
Yeah. Well, if that's the only thing. Said well, if that's the only thing.
Yeah. The part where I talked about is this part. So lay again the longer hair aside. Only go to the part that's jumping up. You can see it here. Pin the hairs aside. Go to the jumping part. Go in with my scissor near to the skin. And just give it some rest feeling. Bring it down. So now when the hair is being washed and colored, it lays much flatter on the head and don't jump up.
Cool.
A bit is also on this side. So you have to have the nerves to go in with this scissor. Show you this scissor, how it is. Very fine teeth. Near to the skin. This side I only need one small cut. And then the hair is laid down. So now I can make her a collar.
Ooh.
Made her a collar and took from Infinity Colors, I took a light grey, but there I took 5 parts and then 1 part black, so I get a deep grey color. That I do with 10 volume, that's 3%, and that's gonna apply on her hair. Start in the center and work from both sides. So first lift up this part, lay it over the hairs. And first set in the first 10 centimeters of the hair and then go into the length. So now I've got all the color on her hair. Don't gonna heat it, so let it be as it be. It takes half hour to get into this color line. Close the plastic foil. She's going for her coffee, and in the meantime I will do a girlfriend of hers, her hair. So you see first her video and then of the girlfriend.
Yes.
Naomi found. They fight about it. No, it's not true.
We never fight.
They throw a stick. Oh, I have to show this one. We'll be back. Hello, we're back from coloring. Rinse it out. Didn't do anything else on the color. Just rinse it out. Give it a conditioner, nothing more than that. So now I'm going to use a straight gel. Straight cream gel is of Keulen. I use only this small amount, give her the rest.
Lucky me.
Apply this especially on the short baby fringe, because it gives rest to the hair. And the rest apply on the hairs and massage it gently in. Now I'm going to dry it with a large brush, starting at the back, working up till I get on top. And this way the fringe has longer time to relax. Again, part hairs over the center line, on the skull bone. Get the hairs away. Okay, starting in the back, what I told you. Started on the skull bone. And only bring the hair straight down. And what I wanted is, I want to leave the natural shapes into a hair. That's why I choose this color. It's a cool color. Not too deep, because when you put too much black in it, you don't see the difference anymore. And the shades are gone. Now the nice thing of the product I put into it is that you don't have to dry it with a brush, or just leave it and it always comes the way you want it.
Perfect.
Because the hairs take the new shape and stay down. So far blow drying, you can already see how wonderful the shades are in the hair. All different shades are all there, so that's what we wanted. Now I only have to control the line a bit. So take the cape a little bit down, and just the small parts that stick out I take away. And it's not much, just a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And this is the new hair color and new hair style of Naomi. Woo!
Wow.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye.
Naomi, well, your turn for you and the rest of the world to show your new hairstyle. Oh, that's also a nice slow turn.
Yeah.
A very special color. I love your shine on your hair. Thank you for modeling.
Thank you. What I want today is a very short fringe. I want all of my dead hair gone, so I think about a length of maybe this.
Yeah, it's a woman.
Yeah, and a darker color, like a black gray. And I'm gonna leave it up to Theo how he's gonna do it.